right, we recently teamed up with Garmin, a well-known name in the navigation world, and they have just recently come out with a new side-by-side specific, a GPS unit for, that's specifically designed for side-by-sides. We got our hands on one here now today, and I kind of like to unbox it and kind of show you a little bit about this thing. Now, I'm not that familiar with it yet because I really haven't played with it, but let's open this thing up and let's see what we got in here, because this thing really intrigues me. It's the Garmin Tread side-by-side edition. So right up front, you've got your monitor. So it's a good size monitor, and this will fit any kind of a dash mount. And they've got some, from what I understand anyway, they've got various different options for mounting this unit. So there's your unit itself, and of course we've got some instructions, and you know what we do with instructions, right? We're gonna need these. Okay, what else do we got here? Let's see. We have got a bunch of bags of stuff. Let's see here. What do we got? We got in bag number one. Looks like we got some cables. All right, and we've got a clamp mount. This looks like the antenna mount. Okay, this is your antenna cable. And this is, they give you a mount that pretty simply mounts to, any tube, any size tube. And I'm sure we can doll that up a little bit, but that's a very generic type bar mount. And let's see what else we got here. These are reusable Ziploc bags too, I've noticed. I'm not tearing these because I'm gonna put my sandwiches in there. All right, okay, so this unit here, I do believe, well, I really don't know. We're gonna have to read the directions, but yeah, this connects to aha. So this is gonna connect to the back of the unit. Oh, and it's a magnet mount. Oh, that's cool. All right, so yeah, there you go. So this thing just connects on the back via magnetic deal, and it's got a gasket in there that seals it from the elements. And then this is like a standard ram type ball mount that's going to allow this thing to use some ram style clamps. I don't know if Garmin calls them ram or if they partner with ram or what, but this sure looks like a ram type of a mount. So this will allow you to connect it to a bar or a hand, a grip, wherever you want to put it. And then it's got your standard ball clamp that goes on there, so that's adjustable. We've got some more cables in here. Looks like we got a power cable, yep. Looks like a power cable, some more zip ties, and yeah, it looks like this is going to be pretty simple to mount up, but the cool thing about this is you're able to just take this off. I don't know how to do it yet, but you're able to take this off of here, and that way you can take this in and you can keep it out of your car or put it wherever you want it. So you don't have to leave it in your car, I guess is what I'm getting at. So I'm not sure how this magnet thing comes loose yet, but we'll figure that out when we get into the directions. Okay, unlike some of the other Garmin GPS units, one of the unique features on this side-by-side unit is it's actually integrated with a two-way radio or a VHF radio that operates on, I'm not certain what the frequencies are, but I do believe that this will coordinate and communicate with most race radios on a specific frequency. So again, that's something else really, really nice. If this works the way it's supposed to, it's really gonna limit, it's gonna really consolidate the amount of stuff that you're going to have in your dashboard to have everything you need: radio, GPS, and all your navigational aids. So again, really excited about this, and can't wait to get it installed.